Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. In this short tutorial, I will guide you update setting of BitTorrent of 2024. So if you have any issue regarding downloading, then you may check this tutorial. Your issue will be fixed. First of all, I will show you here. As you can see, my downloading is very slow, and sometimes it occur stop and start problem and connecting issue. So first of all, you have go to option and then preferences. In preferences, I am starting from here. In general menu, you have to select all these check boxes, and then you have to apply and then OK. The second menu is a privacy menu. You have just to check this one checkbox, and in UI setting you have to check like as I am checking here. In directory there is will no setting will be changed. Man setting you have to change in a connection setting. First of all, you have to change this port number, and also you have to check this enable PNP and enable net, and then apply and OK. In bandwidth setting, you have to select a maximum number of upload speed up to 3 kbps or 5 kbps, maybe it under 50 kbps, and then download speed will be unlimited. And then you have to change this setting also in a connection peer setting, and also number of slot per connecting to our. So you have to change this setting accordingly, and then you have to apply this setting. So I am changing it and then apply and then OK. So this setting is done, and now I am go to BitTorrent, and you have to check all these check boxes, and remain setting will be same, and also enable BTS, and then if you want to upper cap, then you have to check it. Otherwise you go to queuing setting, and in queuing setting you have to change this setting accordingly, 30, and this one up to 230 or 200, and remaining will be 0 and 0. So this setting will be also done. So I am applying it, and then I am going to scheduler menu. So if you want to set a specific schedule, then check, otherwise remain it. Remain setting will be same. I am going here in advanced setting. Here you have to change only two setting. So I will show you. RSS update interval speed, you have to change it accordingly, as I am changing here up to 20 or 18, and then you have to apply set. And the second changes you have made here is DHA speed, and here you have to change it from 0 to up to 2, and then apply set or apply OK. So this all setting is done. As you can see, my download is stopped. I am closing here from tray my BitTorrent, and now I will open it as a run as administrator. And then here is a final setting that you may change it on every file as you are downloading. So you have give up to a high speed for downloading, and the second one is a bandwidth allocation. So you have may cross check it again. You have to set upload limiter up to 5 or 3 kbps, and download speed will be unlimited. So after all this setting done, you have resumed your download, and as you can see, my download speed from 3 kbps is increasing up to 90, 130, 160, 200, and then 250, and this will be increasing time to time. If your internet speed is high, you maybe get a best result using this setting. So this is one of the most updated setting of 2024 of BitTorrent. If you facing any issue of downloading like slow speed, connecting speed, or any other issue peer, so you have to change this accordingly. And for more videos, subscribe our channel.